Hello, this is Miss Mary, and today we will complete solving the revision sheets for grade 8. This is the fourth video, and this will be the last video in solving the sheets. In the previous video, we have stopped until question 113. So in this video, we will start with short answers questions from 114. So let's get started. In question 114, how did Charles Darwin believe that the finches had gotten to Galapagos Island? How Darwin knew about what was the idea of Darwin about how finches moved to Galapagos Island? Darwin believed that the finches moved from South America to Galapagos Island by strong wind, and this is the reason why the finches left South America by the strong wind. And this step, as we know, this step is called separation. He believed that they were blown there from South America by strong wind. Question 115. What difference did Darwin observe among the different species of Galapagos Island finches? What did he observe in the Galapagos finches? Do you remember? He observed that the finches had different beaks, and because they have different kind of food, some of them they were eating insects, and some were eating nuts. That's why the finches had different beaks. Question 116. Why do the Galapagos finches have different beaks? As we said, because they were adapted to eat different food. Their different beaks are adaptations that evolved because the different finches needed to get food in different ways. So some of these birds, they get food from nuts, some from insects, some from cactus and plants. So they had different types of food in different adaptations. Question 117. Describe 3 possible geological causes of population separation. What can make populations to separate by 3 geological or natural causes? A population can be separated by the formation of new mountain ranges, canyon, or lake. Let's move to the next question. Matching. Question 118. The formation of new species as a result of evolution. Yes, this is speciation, letter D. The average time between the birth of one generation and the birth of the next generation. Yes, this is generation time. The splitting apart of a portion of a population, as we mentioned before, when the finches they left South America to Galapagos Island, this is called separation. The evolving of traits in response to environmental conditions. The response of environmental conditions for the changing of traits in response to changing in the environment, this is called adaptation, C. The result of 2 groups becoming so different that they may no longer interbreed. When 2 groups of organisms they totally change and they cannot mate anymore, we call this division. Question 123. Particle cannot be cut. Yes, atom. Negatively charged particle discovered by Thomson. The negatively charged in the atom is electron. Central region of the atom. The central part of the atom is the nucleus, B. Region where electrons are likely to be found. Electrons are found in the, yes, electron cloud. Particle in the center of an atom that has no charge. Particle inside the nucleus and they don't have charge, yes, neutron. Subatomic particle that has a positive charge, something inside the nucleus and it has positive charge, yes, proton. G. A unit of mass that describes the mass of an atom or molecule. Yeah, the unit we use to measure the mass of atom, because it's very small, we use unit called AMU, or atomic mass unit. Letter I. 130, the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. Yes, the number of protons is called atomic number. Letter A. 131, atom that has the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Yes, we call them isotopes. E. 132, the sum of protons and the neutrons in an atom. Yes, this we call it mass number. Next question. The sum of protons and neutrons together, the number, we call this mass number. But the mass of the atom expressed in an atomic mass unit, this is atomic mass. Okay, so the mass number is the number of protons and neutrons. Their mass together, the protons and neutrons, their mass together by AMU unit is called atomic mass. Describes the mass of an atom, the atomic mass unit. So we describe the mass of the atom by unit called atomic mass unit. Number of protons in the nucleus. Yes, this is atomic number. So grade 8, this was everything in the revision sheets. We have done all of the revision sheets. Study well and take care of yourselves, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye. So this was everything for today. Now we have finished all the revision sheets. Study well and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.